YouTube? It's me again. I have a small squirrel problem, and they like chewing on my house. So I sliced a piece of aluminum in half and just filed them on the end so I don't kill my fingers. But basically I'm putting an aluminum plate on my house temporarily so the squirrel don't eat its way into my house. I use my metal chopper to chop the sheet of aluminum. I'm probably going to chop it two pieces. I gotta fold this side. I'm going to probably bend it. Use my bender. But this one's going to go on the side of the building with a 3-inch bend here. I haven't decided where this one's going to go, but we'll see how it goes. But I'll record me bending it in a second. I don't know if you can see this. It's me again. Got my little cheapo bender here. Paid like $100 for it. Does the job. Under here, it's put this magnet out of the way. Yeah, put that down there. This right here and here. Basically, you just crank this on over here, like so. Where's that one? Come on. Here's that one. And here's the plate for it. I'm just going to bend this one not that far. So I'm going to put this plate right here, like so. Get some clamps. Clamps. Of course I got clamps. Got a ton of clamps. Can I find them all? No. Alright, there we go. Basically, take a clamp here. Put that one right about here. Put that one there. It's a cheap bender. It's not a dedicated sitting in one spot bender. I've been looking online for a nice used diacro bender finger brake because there's a lot of things I would like to use with a finger brake. I mean, I got big plans. But alright, let's see. Let's get the little handles for it. Here on the wall. One handle goes in here. Handle goes in there. And it's supposed to be the other way around, but see. Works pretty good. I don't know if you've seen that. So yeah, there's my anti-squirrel chewing device. It's right here. I was supposed to put it on the table the other way around, but get a pretty decent bend out of it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Like I said, it's going on the side of my house like this, so the little rascals don't eat my entire house. So that's what I'm doing. So hope you liked the video. I'll probably record some more. I really want to buy a bender because a finger brake, because I want to make metal boxes like this with little lids. I use my spot welder and weld them together. But this right now is a piece of aluminum. I picked it up off an old school about 15 years ago. The little bottom door guards, that's what it's from. So yeah, just bendy, and voila. Put this up there. It's getting a little surface rust on it. Yeah, you know, you get what you get. So yeah, see, two little bends, and I'll probably turn around and I'll make a cut in this and show you. Let me pause that. See, one of the reasons why to buy certain tools if you have the space. I paid $100 for this thing, and the dude told me, what do you call it? The dude that I bought it off of was just some random dude online. Line that up a little bit there, make sure it's nice and square, and just chop. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's going on my house. So it's basically it's to get rid of a squirrel. So yeah. Oops. So as you can see, nice little decent cut on there. This is aluminum. It cuts sheet metal. I don't know if you can see how thick it is, but it's not very thick. It cuts like butter. So that's what I'm doing. I'm making 2 little flange pieces. It's already got the holes in it because it used to be a door guard, the bottom door piece. So it's got holes to screw it in. And perfect. Now I got to take my glove off and turn this off. Thanks for watching.